have kids?
Yeah, I do. I have 5, actually.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
Let's make some more.
Touch me, touch me, and you will go to jail.
Woman's bizarre behavior lands her in hot water.
Officers responded to Family Dollar regarding a disruptive customer.
So what's going on tonight?
My ex-mother will shoot my ass because I want to invite her to a birthday party tomorrow.
Okay. So my question is, right now they're calling in reference to you cracking open the beer and munching on all that stuff. Do you have intentions of paying for that? Yeah. Okay. While I'm here, real quick, so that way I don't hem you up for that, can you please pay for it while I'm here, and then we can talk about that outside? Where's your wallet?
In my van.
Okay. Leave the property here. Let's go out to your van.
Can I take one more step?
No. Van.
Unbelievable.
My van's like way the at Jet's daycare.
Why is it all the way down?
Because I'm afraid of my mother-in-law. She's just...
So why'd you leave your van over there?
Because it's my son's birthday tomorrow, dude. Okay. It's his birthday. He's going to be 14.
Well, she is.
He's never had
hammered.
a good birthday. I've never had a good birthday. Both our birthdays are in September.
1 second.
And I was like, hey, you should come around to a birthday party. I had like all kinds of cool, you know, like invitations, everything. No, she said,
Been
get
all
out.
23 on 3.
I'm going to shoot your house. I'm like, what? She's playing. And then she's like, Rob, get the guns. I hear like, I was like, dude, I dropped everything and ran. I was like, this bitch is serious. I was like, man, what if she's serious?
Been all 24 on 3.
I was going to look back and I was like, don't even chance it, just run, right? Would you chance it?
So I've already spoke to your ex-mother-in-law.
What if you're sad?
So, her,
Mm-hmm.
first of all, y'all aren't, for what she's telling me, not on the best of terms, in the sense of...
But that doesn't mean I gotta shoot you.
Is this woman on good terms with anyone,
without
though?
Permission.
She's
You
my
just walked
ex-mother-in-law.
inside. Okay. You entered the house without
We
permission.
have 4 kids together.
Listen to me. You entered the house without permission.
Okay.
She told you to leave numerous times.
I said I would leave.
You refused to leave. Y'all got into an argument, and that's when she threatened you. Which, at that point, she was defending herself.
No. If someone is not a risk of harm to you, even though you're in your house, you cannot shoot them. That's medieval, right? Now, we do have the castle doctrine where you're allowed to use lethal force in certain circumstances inside your home, but not like that. Wow. Nice try, cop.
Leave her property after you let yourself in, which you cannot do. You know you can go to jail for that, right?
Really?
That's
Yes.
a true
For
statement.
burglary. Unauthorized entrance to the residence.
Like, do I get a felony for
That is a felony charge.
that? Awesome.
Yeah, it's trespassing.
All right.
You can't do that.
I'm excited. I got a felony.
No, she chose to not press charges on you.
I hope she pressed a charge. What the
Chose to not press charges.
f***? Tell her, please do.
Why?
Because I want a felony.
You want a felony.
Yeah, I want a... Can you walk me over there and get my keys so I can go home? Because I don't have time for this.
Well, you're not going anywhere until you pay for this food.
Well, my wallet's in the van. So you have to walk me to my van.
What's the total for what she owes? Can you bring that up for me, please?
Are you going to pay? I'll pay you back when you get the van.
I ain't paying for that beer.
Right.
I will be nice enough, considering she doesn't have a wallet, if you're willing to put that on hold until she returns.
Yeah, please don't spill it. I'll drink it.
No, you're not drinking that. That's
I
getting dumped
can't.
out.
This is crazy.
I already have a
that's
felony,
getting,
so...
Nope, it's getting dumped out the moment.
No
We're just
way can you
going to get to your
eat
car and bring yourself
Mentos
back
while
over here.
drinking
My
a
keys
beer.
are on-
Can't be
Just so
done.
you know, I'm sorry, hear me out.
1 second. This is our 206, or Palmetto.
You want to trespass her? Yeah.
Go ahead, here.
Up to him? No problem. Don't stop that. All right, we're not doing the
I'm
nonsense.
just trying to get to my van to get home.
Okay.
To do a wellness check
Hold
on
on
my
a minute.
kids.
We're running around. We have emergencies going on right now, so just...
Multiple emergencies. But my keys are at my mother-in-law's door with my party because I was trying to invite her to my son's birthday party.
Hey, kids, watch your language.
No, I have 4 boys.
Okay, well, you have a young child
I'm
right
sorry,
there.
I know. I'm sorry, honey.
That's not appropriate.
You're right.
Weird fact, that is not a lawful command from a police officer. You do not have to stop swearing just because a cop tells you to. That's not a lawful command. Counterpoint, quit swearing. You're being a douchebag.
Do you see his pants? Do you not tell him, like, your pants are a little tight on you?
Hey, let's go outside real fast. Let's go. Come
What
on.
are we doing?
Go outside.
You can't come into a store and try to pay for something with no money. It doesn't work like that.
are at my mother-in-law.
How are
Who's
your...
gonna go get those?
Why? How would your keys be at your... I'm not...
She was gonna shoot me.
Well, because you walked into her house unannounced.
She's my ex-mother-in-law.
Yeah,
with 4
well, that's,
kids.
you know, you guys haven't
She
lived...
knows me. I know her.
No,
I know
you guys...
her.
No, you don't. You guys haven't been cool for years. All right,
Well, I'm
don't try
trying to, like,
BS me.
be cool. I'm trying to take her to my son's birthday party. He's turning 14, dude.
Okay.
Let's go outside.
All right, let's go outside.
Like, dude, just go get my keys so I can go home.
Wait a second. So did you drive afterwards? So you left the property. And did you
I
drive?
walked to her property.
Everyone here knows that they're trying to get her to admit that she's been driving under the influence. That's what's going on here.
To shoot me out the driveway because I was trying to give her my son's prescription because he was sick. This is what I'm going through.
Ma'am, can I see that pen? Because you didn't pay for it.
It's beautiful. I thought you were going to pay for it. This is why you don't have a girlfriend problem.
Outside. Let's go.
All right, get outside. Let's go. You want us to help you, and yet you're insulting us. So go ahead and step outside.
How am I insulting you? I've been here for hours. I'm not insulting you. You're like, oh, but I'm mad, dude. Bad. Wouldn't you be mad? I'm a mom of 4. I don't know if you have kids.
All right.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, I do. I have 5, actually.
Do you really?
Yes, I do.
Let's make some more.
Nope.
She just offered to have a child with this cop? Oh my goodness gracious!
Happily married, yeah. Anyways, what I'm going to go ahead and get at right now, if your keys are over there, I can go to that house and get them out for you.
Who's going to get them? How am I going to get home?
How did you get here? You drove here to her house. What was the reason you drove here for?
To invite her to a birthday party. Are you recording this? Make
Yes.
sure you're recording it, please.
I record everything. So you record this, so you're saying you drove from DeLand, where you live, right?
You just started yesterday?
No, he didn't. This is one of our best officers right here, and this guy doesn't take any. All right.
I understand that.
It looks like that. Look at them.
Yeah. Well, this guy. The thing is, so we've been around the block, and we have a lot of things going on because there's 2 of us for the city, right? And we're stuck dealing with some nonsense where you're opening a beer without a wallet and drinking inside of a store, and then you come up with a bunch of items with no wallet. You know, that's not a common sense thing. Luckily, these people don't want to trespass you, and you didn't cross the point of sale, so I can't arrest you. You know what? How about this?
What?
Good luck with your car. Good luck with your keys. Totally
Can I
fine
borrow
with
your
me.
knife?
Nope. You can't borrow anything, actually.
How about your knife?
Nope.
Your taser?
Borrowing nothing.
Pepper spray.
All right. Have a good life. Yeah.
You hear this? Are you ran out?
I can't believe that at this point they're just gonna walk away. But that's hilarious.
Do you guys want to pursue charges for the...
Does she pay for it? Does she pay for it? Huh?
No.
Yeah, you can go ahead, because LP is going to be on me if that ain't taken care of.
All right. He's wanting to press charges for the stuff that she...
If she ain't going to pay for it, LP is
Yeah,
going to
that's-
be on me.
Ma'am, out here, now. Out here. Come out here. Stand outside this store. I do not care.
What he said, get your ass up out of here. She's still
Hey,
eating me.
I'm coming.
Go, now.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness.
Are you going to take me to jail?
Go outside.
Just take me.
Go outside.
I have to pee.
Now.
I have to pee.
I don't care. Go
I'm
outside.
gonna have to pee.
Go outside.
Can I pee?
I do not care.
Should I
Go
pee
outside.
Right now?
Go outside.
Am I supposed to be scared of you?
Exit the store.
You can't come in the store anymore.
Thank you. I don't want to.
All right. Thanks, sir. All right. Do we already have her name and all that stuff in the call?
54. Let me check the 206.
Let me check this dumb shit. I'm a dumb cheeseburger body at that. And this is a...
Thanks, man.
You're not
So you want to use racial slurs and all that good
no,
stuff,
you're
too?
straight.
Hey, nope. You're not free to leave, actually.
Okay, once a cop tells you that you're not free to leave, you are under arrest. That's what she is right now.
Nope. Tell you right now.
Why? Take me to jail now. Stop being a... Take me to jail. Let's go.
What do you want to go to
ready.
jail for?
What?
All right. What do you want to go to jail for?
For a felony charge.
For what?
'Cause I'm about to shoot my mother-in-law
You're about to?
with your gun. Because you're...
How do you
Their info's added.
stop this? I hope they if you tomorrow in jail. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
With a huge
Touch me,
black
touch
eye.
me, touch me, touch me, and you will go.
Okay, this I don't get from the cops. This thing where you're baiting them to touch you, that's like actual entrapment. It is a defense to the criminal charge of battery on the officer if the officer says to do it. This is so stupid. Look, I get that dealing with drunk people is annoying. I get it that she's like a train wreck, but Mr. Cop Guy, you cannot tell her to commit a crime against you. This is so stupid. And then she just barely touches him on the face. Stupid. Now she's going to jail.
Jail. Okay, cool. Now you're going to jail. All right, battery on law enforcement officer.
That will not hold up. He told her to do it. Now, she's got some other stuff going on. Public intox. But
Congratulations. You just talked yourself into going to jail.
Thank you. I could use some rest.
You're gonna get it. I need you to grab the statement and probably take over that report, all right?
Which one?
Oh, God.
I'm gonna do this. All right.
The one on Bacher?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Where are we going? What?
Canal 23 Flagler. One of this car right over here.
Is that where your wife
I'm
married?
gonna have 11015 for battery on Leo. Reference this shop.
I mean, the battery on the law enforcement officer is the weakest. I'm embarrassed for him. This is so dumb. Wow.
Could I get a female deputy in my location?
Oh, God. Look at this bitch.
10-4.
Oh, there she comes. FYI. I got it. I'm on TikTok. I'm fine.
All right, cool. You're gonna sit in the back of the car until then.
Yes. I've never been in the back of a car before.
There is no way on earth that she is going to be convicted of battery on a law enforcement officer. That is the dumbest setup for a battery I have ever seen. Touch me again. Touch me again. Oh my goodness. That's like 5th grade. No, not gonna work. On the other hand, there's some other charges that I think they could stick her with, including public intox, but that's just my opinion. Why don't you get down in the comments, let me know what you think, hit the subscribe button, stick around this channel, we got great videos coming out basically all the time.
Big verdict.